Hello, how y'all doing? Welcome to the shed where we dick around in the shed. Welcome to Blue Bike Doors channel. Welcome to the shed as we dick around in the shed. Dicking around in the shed. Yeah, y'all know what we're doing when I'm standing. Well, you don't, because it could be, well, I guess if you read the damn title, you know it's Wednesday. We dick around in the shed, so back on lights. So we got these Chinese knockoff of commercial designs. Custom dynamic knockoffs. So first step is to take your seat off, which I already did. Oh, first step, run an intro and we'll get over to the bike. Yeah, let's do that first. Oh, welcome to the Lucille. I think I unplugged the right plug. Yeah, so we're gonna add another plug to these plugs, which I already got. Well, I already got for the lights or the custom dynamics sequential bag lights. So if I unplug the right one, we should be able to plug this back in and plug it back in, right? Let's see what we did. Oh, first step, you take the seat off. You got the little thumb screw, and you just, some people will take this off. I like to have it on there. You know, you do that, and I'm sure you took the seat off many times. So I unplugged it. So hopefully I unplugged the right one. So let's. That plugged in. That plugged in. Turn the bike on, see what happens. And they light up. They light up red. So they red on the side. Already got one light out. Dang it. Oh well. And then you see what happens. Oh, they go off. They light up red, and that's your brake lights. Can you see that? I don't know what you can see or not. I shouldn't have that matched back, so they light up. All right, they work. So I got the right side. Right side. So they blink when you mash your brakes, and they run and turn and brake. And that's the left side. And they brakes on one side, and you can tell I'm turning. So they work, and I gotta they blink. So next step is what? Get down here on y'all lever. Did I just make a short joke? Alright, reason why I took I always like to test my Chinese knockoff stuff, make sure they work. I like to check all my light stuff before I go to moving parts that's somewhat prominent. Alright, next step, get you a heat gun or hair dryer. We gotta remove said reflector thingy. So I got that. Whew, that's hot. Yeah. So now I gotta remove all this rest of this 3M stuff. Yeah. Let me do that. Okay, as you can see, I got it somewhat cleaned off. And that's going to fit right in there nicely. Uh-oh. See a problem. We got to drill a hole that this end can go through. So, yeah. So, hope you ain't scared of doing a little drilling. So, it should clear all the, yeah. So, let's kind of mark where we want the hole. Try to get it best you can. So, somewhere right in there. I should have a marker. I'll get a marker and do that, and then we'll drill a hole. Alright, I got a marker. I got a 2764 drill bit or something like that. Whatever that right there is, I tested it. It goes through there. So let's kind of mark the hole about where it want to be. Somewhere right in there. So let's gently drill a hole. You know, say all the. Here we go. Alright, we got to drill a hole. Now we can get to clean up all this metal. Clean. And let's see if this little thingy goes through there. It does. And like I said, it just misses. Let me show you. It just misses that clearance. So clearance, right? Should have brought that hole down just a little bit. It'll work. So let me go get me some alcohol and we'll go do that. And you hope you've seen something. Alright, I got me some isopropylus at 91%. I'm a 91%er. So we put some alcohol rub on there. I clean up the rest of the glue off and any other foreign substance is in there. Yep.
Alright. Here's the tip. Here's the tip. They said rub this stuff, but this is some Chinese 3M stuff, so it probably ain't worth 2 cents. What you think? They said, you know, just kind of give it a rub to activate the stickiness of it. Alright, well, we rubbed it. Stick your wire back through there.
Stick that in there, give it a good push. Sticking it in there good and tight. Good and tight, that's what she said. Good and tight. I'm just thinking how I'm gonna, when you run this cord, well, that's what it's gonna look like. So that's pretty much simple stuff, right? Kind of sticks out back here in the back. No, not too bad. So let me do the other side and we'll show you what it looks like when we get done, because you just see me do this side. Repeat the process on the left side. Yeah, the liberal side. I made a pun. When I'm wrong, I'll tell you. when I make a boo-boo, I'll tell you. When you're drilling your hole for your light thingy, go all the way through your saddlebags. Yeah, lucky I got a 90-degree drill bit thingy here. That's what it's called, a thingy. So I'm gonna go over here and drill that hole through the saddlebags. Boy, that sucks. When I screw up, I screw up. But I can fix it. Just a little screw up. Just take a little time. We'll use a step bit. And we'll drill that little hole. Need a bigger hole than that. Oh, me. I got it. See, I'll show you what I did. You gotta drill through there, and not only when you do that, it lines up and shuts. I hope. Let's move to the other side. We'll be right back. Should be simple. But then I gotta work. Yeah, I got these. Might have to go to. They didn't send you none of these. I can't get in there. They just little stick-on tab things. And you run you stick them on and you zip tie what you're doing. Wire up. Alright, well there you have it. They on there. See, that's just the run. Here's the turn. And here's the, you guessed it, brake lights. So it's not a bad kit. I don't think. For $59, I think. They all work. The glue couldn't use the thing. I think I'm going to have to re-glue that one. Damn it. Oh well. Well, there you have it. Yeah, here's the part number. Figure it out. Now, I'll put the links of what all it is in the description or whatever. That muscle right there, it hurts. I don't know what I did. Yawn. Oh. So, I guess I need to cut the lights on. Well, there you have it, folks. The $59.99 HDBUBALUS Chinese special. It didn't really take that long to get them. Maybe 3 weeks, maybe. I don't know. Wasn't that long, I think. Check out that video there. That one there. Hit my subscribe button. We'll see you when we see you. Later.